Oh, if you're gonna hit me, you better knock me out, because I don't want to get hit again. You see, ladies and gentlemen, when he raises his hand like this, he's asking you all, should I smite him in the face?
You may want to stand up for this, boys.
Things are about to get real.
Normally, most people move their babies at this point. How come no one wants to claim you two? Donde está el back up a little bit?
Where is the move? Up a little bit?
I don't speak Spanish.
Me neither.
Let's try to see.
All right. The heck with that! Yeah! Ow! Wow! What is that? Yeah! Oh my gosh, look over there, it's the king! Ow! Wow! Woo! You want a piece of my woo-woo? Oh, since you're good, we're cool then.
Oh, did she give you the I'm all good?
Yeah.
Wow, crash and burn.
I know, right?
Tell you what, I'm just gonna let you have it.
Really? You're just gonna let me have my
I'm
sword?
gonna let you have it.
Really? You're gonna let me have my sword?
Yes!
Don't need to bite my head off, just ask me. Either way, thank you.
You're welcome. Wow. She gave you the vampire cross.
It's not a vampire.
Oh, it's like the Family Feud X?
Not.
Survey says, no kissing.